This is Village Auto's 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Exceptionally clean one-owner truck. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The tow package, rear park assist sensors, rear backup camera, custom painted 20-inch alloy wheels with 4 brand new tires, running boards, privacy glass, custom exhaust. Very sharp, well-maintained truck. This one does come equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $13,550. This one has a full leather interior, exceptionally clean as you can see. Do the factory Panasonic DVD player, rear radio controls. Do of course have full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, power passenger seat, heated front leather seats, power moonroof, AM/FM CD player with the factory navigation, dual automatic climate control, auxiliary stereo input, adjustable foot pedals, info controls, tow haul mode, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the electronic 4-wheel drive switch with the auto feature, OnStar. It's altogether very clean, very well-maintained truck. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ 4-wheel drive home with you today.